Riversmith Shortcut River Quiver. The Riversmith Shortcut River Quiver is a remarkable innovation for any pickup truck, offering unmatched convenience and a space-saving design. Measuring 58 inches in length and 7.4 inches in height, it comes in two configurations: the two-banger at 8 inches wide and 15 pounds, or the four-banger at 14.2 inches wide and 25 pounds, both capable of accommodating fly rods up to 104 inches when broken down. Installation is effortless with the included rod chairs, reel box pads, river quiver keys, mounting hardware, a QR code installation guide, and a multi-tool. Designed for versatility, it can be mounted on truck beds, roof racks, and more, with an adjustable crossbar height ranging from 3.38 to 6 inches, ensuring a precise fit. Decked Cargo Glide 600. The Decked Cargo Glide 600 is a revolutionary truck bed slide designed to make accessing heavy cargo effortless. This half-width tray extends up to 75% and can handle a 600-pound payload, making it perfect for tools, gear, and equipment. Built with a powder-coated American steel frame, a 34-inch marine-grade plywood deck with a thermoplastic top sheet and tough aluminum sidewalls, it's engineered to endure even the harshest job site conditions. Featuring 2 precision machine rollers and 4 sealed cam follower bearings, it glides smoothly, even on inclines. Installation is quick and straightforward, taking just 30 to 45 minutes. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, the Cargo Glide 600 delivers unmatched durability and efficiency for any pickup truck owner. Smart Cap, an incredible innovation for pickup trucks, redefining truck bed organization and protection. Crafted from automotive-grade stainless steel, its modular 5-piece design supports up to 330 pounds while in motion and an impressive 770 pounds when stationary. Featuring a weatherproof build, integrated roof rails, and a positive pressure air vent, it ensures exceptional durability and superior ventilation. The ingenious gull-wing side doors, paired with flush-bonded sliding windows, offer 17% taller access, making loading effortless. With a no-drill installation process that takes just 15 minutes and a 3-year warranty, Smart Cap provides unparalleled strength, style, and convenience for truck owners seeking both performance and practicality. Toughport Overlander. The Toughport Overlander is a game-changing sliding camper built for both full-size trucks with 6.5-foot beds and mid-size trucks with 6-foot beds. Constructed from a single-piece composite fiberglass shell, its leak-proof, aerodynamic design provides an interior height of 64.5 inches and a width of 72 inches. Available in 3 configurations: sea to sky, coast to coast, and ultralight. The Overlander ranges in Rambox, a groundbreaking integrated storage solution crafted specifically for the Ram 1500 pickup truck. Built from a durable, weather-resistant composite material, the Rambox delivers outstanding protection. Rambox, a groundbreaking integrated storage solution crafted specifically for the Ram 1500 pickup truck. Built from a durable, weather-resistant composite material, the Rambox delivers outstanding protection.